Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the seat lid assembly, including both the toilet lid and toilet seat. Support the base with one hand. Then pull the entire assembly upward with force. The seat lid assembly will loosen and separate. Once loosened, gently open the lid to reveal the connecting cables and water hoses. Disconnect all cables and hoses. After all connections are detached, you can remove the entire assembly from the toilet ceramic body. Next, we disassemble the seat lid assembly. The mounting screws are located on both sides of the cover, hidden under decorative pads. Remove the decorative pads to reveal the screws underneath. Do the same on the opposite side. After removing the screws, detach all clips securing the assembly. There are also cables between the mainboard and the cover. These must be disconnected. Lastly, disconnect the ground cable. And the cover and base can now be separated. Next, we'll demonstrate how to replace the hinge, the toilet lid, and the knob. Since different hinges have different curvatures, the toilet lid must be removed first before the hinge can be detached. So first, remove the toilet lid. This is also the standard method for servicing the toilet lid. Take a flathead screwdriver and insert it into the gap of the decorative cover. Pry it open. It's held on with double-sided tape. Once the decorative cover is removed, you'll see the mounting screws, Remove the screws and detach the toilet lid. Then retract the hinges. And loosen the screws on both hinge brackets. Once the damper is taken out, the entire hinge and bracket assembly can be removed. Repeat the same process on the other side to remove the other hinge. If the replacement hinge you received only comes with a metal bracket, you will need to separate the old hinge from its bracket and reuse the old bracket. Detaching the reused bracket is easy. Just gently pry it open, and the bracket will come off. Please note, the bracket has a directional orientation, so make sure it is installed in the correct direction. To replace the knob, the hinges must be fully removed first. Only after completely removing the hinges can you take out the knob. Now, pick up the new knob and install it in place. Making sure the cables are properly routed. Then, take the reassembled hinge and reassembled bracket. And install them back into position. Be mindful of the direction of the damper. The metal side should align with the decorative cover. Place it into the correct position. You may need to wiggle the bracket slightly to realign it before you can insert it correctly. Then proceed to tighten all the mounting screws. Repeat the same process for the other side. Position the bracket. Assemble the hinge and tighten the screws. Once the hinges are fully reinstalled, reinstall the toilet lid. To do this, first open the hinges to their maximum angle. Then mount the toilet lid. Tighten the mounting screws. And then reinstall the decorative covers. Finally, test the lid's opening and closing. If everything works smoothly, reassemble the it back onto the toilet ceramic body. After completing repairs, reconnect all cables to the main board. Ensure cables are properly inserted. Reinstall base and cover. And tighten the screws. Reinstall the full assembly onto the toilet ceramic body. Start by placing the seat lid assembly back onto the ceramic body. Find the corresponding connectors and reconnect all cables. All cables are directional. Match arrow to arrow on each connector. Next, route the power cable through the bottom. Then pull the water inlet hose from below and connect it to the seat lid assembly. Tighten the hose using a wrench if needed. After connecting all cables and hoses, tidy up the cables and position the connectors properly. Once everything is organized, tuck the cable bundle into place. Then close the lid and press down to snap the clips into place.